How do you take out teeth digitally? Let's find out. Hello friends, I'm David, the director of guided surgery in real-time dental lab. So oftentimes, when we try to do immediate implant placement, we need to place either the implant in the socket or between socket. And that brings into another issue that we may have is the guided sleeve is hitting the crown or it's between the crown. How could we fix this? So the easiest way to do this is to extract the teeth digitally. Take CoDiagnostiX for example. It released a very useful feature. It's called AI Assistant. And this AI Assistant, one of these key functions is to extract the teeth digitally. There's usually 3 ways you can take out the teeth. It's either just a cutout, so it will leave a hole in the socket, or you can do a cut and close, meaning you will remove the teeth digitally and then you will close the extraction socket afterwards. And on top of that, it comes with a very fancy function, which is you take out the teeth and you preserve the extraction socket in that site. So now the teeth has been removed, so we can plan our sleep without hitting anything. After the tooth has been removed, here comes into another question, is where the guide is gonna sit on, right? So if you're interested in this topic about how to do that, I have an upcoming webinar showing you how to take out the teeth digitally in CoDiagnostiX, but also you can still proceed with the tooth supported guide for your full arch implant placements. Click the link, join the webinar, and have the surgical guide fun with me together, and I'll see you in the webinar.